Today's topic is could have. ID सकता था, सकती थी, सकते थे. Rule subject plus could have plus main verb third plus object. मैं यह काम कर सकता था. I could have done this work. I could have taught English. I could have helped you. Means I could have taught English. Means मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ा सकता था. I could have helped you. मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता था. At least you should have informed me. कम से कम तुम्हें मुझे सूचना दे सकते थे. At least you could have made me a call. कम से कम तुम मुझे कॉल तो कर सकते थे. At least you could have taken a bath. कम से कम तुम नहा तो सकते थे. At least you could have made him understand. तुम उसे समझा सकते थे. At least you could have asked. कम से कम तुम पूछ सकते थे. I could have taught him a lesson. मैं उसे सबक सिखा सकता था. I could have taught him a lesson. Same. Repetitive sentence. Could you have taught him a lesson? क्या तुम उसे सबक सिखा सकते थे? Couldn't you have taught him a lesson? क्या तुम उसे सबक नहीं सिखा सकते थे? Why could you have taught him a lesson? तुम उसे सबक क्यों सिखा सकते थे? Why couldn't you have to taught him a lesson? तुम उसे सबक क्यों नहीं सिखा सकते थे? Like this we use could have. Now should be means होना चाहिए. Subject plus should be plus object. You should be an honest. तुम्हें ईमानदार होना चाहिए. You should be a literate. Now you should be fortitude. You shouldn't be fortitude. Should you be fortitude? Shouldn't you be fortitude? Why should be fortitude? Why shouldn't you be fortitude? Fortitude का मीन्स आप मुझे कमेंट में बताइए. Has to be, have to be. ID पढ़ रहा है, पढ़ रही है, पढ़ रहे हैं. Rule subject plus has to be, have to be. मेन वर्ब फोर्थ आएगा has to be, have to be में. I have to be saying. मुझे कहना पड़ रहा है. Now had to be पढ़ रहा था. I had to be making him understand. I had to be going to in-laws house. Like this we use had to be and have to be. Okay, bye.